Hello everyone, welcome back to Blessing TV Natural Hair. Today guys, I will be showing you how I make this beautiful wig bun out of expression. Yes, I use expression to make this. So if you are curious and you want to know how I make this, even both the front, so stay tuned and we will get started very soon. So first and first, if today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell. Doing so, you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. I would also like to appreciate my old and new subscribers. I say may God bless you. Thanks a lot for your support. I really do appreciate. If you are also a returning subscriber, thank you. God bless you for coming back. And thanks. Please, in this channel, we do anything that concerns hair, natural hair care, how to grow your hair, and how to make a weave-on and wig, any type of wig. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, this is the expression I'm going to be working with. I'm using this expression because it's already stretched out. So that is the reason why I'm using it. You can use any expression of your choice. You can stretch it out yourself and cut it. So what I will be doing next now is just to cut this expression into two. So all depends on you how you want your weave-on to long. If you want it more long, then stretch it out long and cut to the size you want. If you want short, do the same thing. So I will cut this into two like this way you are seeing now. Now I will be taking this on my machine. One side of it, I will separate it into two parts. So I have separated it into two parts. So the first part I'm going to be sewing now, and when you are sewing, try to be combing the tip of the hair, the expression I mean, and using your hand to separate how you want your hair, whether you want it thick or light. That is light. I don't know how to explain that. So I will just be using my hand to separate it while sewing. Look closely and you will get it very fast. In a case that you don't get it for the first time, try it again and try it again. Don't give up until you get it. There is nothing impossible. Okay? So try it again and try it again. Continue sewing. While sewing, use your hand to separate it and comb. Don't forget to comb in order not to leave your hair tangled. So now the first one I've sewn, I want to add the other part into it. I will just add this part the same way. I will continue sewing and combing and using my finger to separate. Please watch the video to the end so that you will not make mistake and you will learn fast. And also wash it several times if you have made a mistake. Rewind it back or wash it next time. You can wash as long as you want until you get this particular place. Okay, comb and shift with your hand. Comb and shift with your hand. Okay, so let's move on. Just like this, guys. Just like this. So the first one that I made is ready. It's almost ready, not ready, guys. we have just started. So what? See, let me show you what we got now. We got the first stitch. We are going to stitch this 3 to 4 times. 3 to 4 times. Make sure you stitch 3 to 4 times, and your stitch will be like half an inch. Half an inch. Okay? So I have sewed it 4 times. I sew mine 4 times. Now I just fold. Once you sew it 4 times, fold it and sew again. In this part, we are still going to sew 3 to 4 times. I normally sew mine 4 times to secure it very well. Okay? So when you are folding, you sew. You fold, you sew. You fold, you sew. Just like this, guys. Folding and sewing, folding and sewing, and do it gently. Don't rush. Make sure you fold all the hair, no one left before sewing. Okay? Fold and sew, fold and sew. So after sewing, remember you have to sew it 3 to 4 times. Please don't forget that part and don't ignore it. If not, your weave-on will fall out. So sew it 3 to 4 times. I will definitely sew mine 4 times to secure it very well, because this is for a client and I want to make it perfect for her. Okay, so mine is ready. As you can see, it turns out so beautiful. So it's optional. It's option to you if you want to leave yours like this, to fix it like this. But me, I want to straighten mine and make sure that it gives me that shining and bouncing look. Okay, so stay tuned to show you the next step. Yeah, this is how it looks, guys. It's very easy to make. So the next one is that I will just spread it on my table and give it a comb. I will brush the hair. As you can see, no one is falling out. None of them is falling out because it's wet sewed. It's sewed very well. That was the reason why I said you should sew 3 to 4 times. Now I will just add a little glue, nails glue, on the end of my weave-on to secure it there. It's optional also. It's not going to fall out, but it's optional. You can put it around the hair if you want, just to secure it, but for me the edges is okay. Now I will show you the next step. I will spread on my table again, brush, then I will use my iron to give him that shining look and bouncing look. Now I will just be ironing it. I will iron until it's well straight. When you are you are done with this side of the hair, turn it to the other side, and when you are doing that, you make sure you brush as well. I just turned and I'm ironing it all over and all over again until I get that shining look and bouncing look that looks like natural hair. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so, and remember to press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so, and also help us to share this video to friends and family. Share to any of your platform, Facebook, share to your friends. Okay, many people might be in need of this. Okay, this is just to save money. So now I will just roll to look like a bun. I will roll it and tie it down before I can fix them on a wig for a client. Thank you so much if you have watched to this extent. I will also be showing you how I make the front part on my next video. Please stay tuned and put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload the front, how to make the front part and how I will fix it, you will be get notified and you will see how to make this front part. God bless you as you watch. See you on my next video. Bye.